Hello, beautiful people. Here we are tonight, with my friend Steve. He actually rallied from Virginia on this beautiful weekend, and I haven't seen him in about 20 years. This guy is actually my best man from my wedding, and I'm gonna make him a paella today. I have been making paellas for about 10 years now, and everybody always asks me, Francisco, how do you make a paella? I can make a paella. Let's get down to it. So guys, the first thing you're gonna need to make a paella is first the paella pan. That's actually, I bought this one in Spain. Number two, you're gonna need the meats. Paella is actually, the original one is actually chicken and rabbit, but I have substituted the rabbit for pork. You guys are gonna need, the most important thing in a paella is the bomba rice. This rice is actually from Spain, and it absorbs 3 times its size in water. You're gonna need some tomatoes. You're gonna need a couple of good beers here to share with friends. You're gonna need some snow peas. You're gonna need some rosemary. You're gonna need some saffron, some pimenton, which is smoked paprika, some olive oil, some good Spanish wine, Marques de Cáceres, and you're gonna need a very good fire pit to make that paella. This is what makes paella a great party, a great dish, not only for the flavor, but to share with good friends. All right, so now that the paella is on the fire, it's level. The first step is actually to fry the meats. You want to have the 2 mixtures of the meats. And Chad, if you can actually hand me the salt, you can see that it's chicken and the 2 meats, the pork as well. You see the film here? You see? It's actually done. Now what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and then put the snow peas. You always want to have some vegetable there. We're gonna mix that so that it captures the flavor of the meat and the oil and the vegetable. And when this is done, we're gonna add some tomatoes. Okay, now we're gonna get the tomato in, as you can see. So let me get that tomato in. And we're gonna make sure that the acidity goes away, and then it cooks nicely. All right, so now that the paella is actually boiling to the highest point, look at those flames, nice. Coming. So we're gonna add the rice. What I do is just I put like a cross like this, and then sparse the rice. Now, one thing you don't want to do in a paella is just to start stirring the rice I'm just accommodating this, but once it sets, you leave it there until the end. Guys, this is almost done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some rosemary right here. This is gonna add a good touch to it, good flavor. You need to make sure that this doesn't get warm. So this is going to be the soca rice. You see this right here? There is like a film. Now it's time to take this away from the fire. You don't want to burn. Alright guys, we are ready to eat. I'm gonna call the crowd here, and this is a beautiful paella. Alright friends, as you can see, my friends didn't leave me almost anything of the paella, but I just want to make one final point. Listen, paella means family, paella means gathering with friends, paella means having a good time with friends. Actually, making the paella is actually one of the most enjoyable moments, as much as it is eating it. But listen, do me a favor. Go out there, find some hardware, find some ingredients, and make your own paella. I will see you on the grill.